Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Before now, we could easily access Nano Banana inside Google AI Studio. Just log in and start generating your image. But right now, Nano Banana Pro has been moved into a paid tier, meaning you can't use it for free on Google AI Studio or even Higgsfield anymore. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to still access Nano Banana Pro for free using alternative AI websites that unlock the same model without paying. If you have been searching for a free way to access Nano Banana Pro, this is the right guide you need. Let's get started. So guys, the first completely free way to use Nano Banana Pro is through Pixpal.ai. And honestly, the interface is so simple, you will feel like you are cheating the system. After you log in, Pixpal gives you 50 free credits instantly and daily sign-in bonus credits. So yes, you can use Nano Banana Pro for free every single day. Once you're inside, look at the left panel, tap on All Tools, and then select Nano Banana Pro. Click on Try Now. Now, here's the cool part. The input method must be text only, which is perfect because I already have my base prompts ready. I wanted to create a food photography upgrade. So here's the base prompt. My base prompt is a plate of freshly made jollof rice on a wooden table, steam rising, natural light from the left, high detail, appetizing presentation. Choose your aspect ratio, set the resolution to 4K Ultra and hit on generate. And just look at the result. Crisp, ultra realistic, high detail. This is Nano Banana Pro working at full power. And yes, it is free, just like what you saw. Now that our base prompt is ready, let's edit it. So I'm going to edit my image still using the Pixpal AI website. I wanted to upgrade the base image, so I added a chill Coca-Cola bottle and then created a close-up version focusing on the jollof texture. So what I did was that I uploaded the base image directly and then I pasted in my first edit prompt, which is add a chill bottle of Coca-Cola to the right of the plate, matching the existing lighting. Then I hit on send. You can see the result I got still on 4K, maintaining context perfectly. Still on that image I uploaded, I pasted in my edit prompt saying crop to an extreme close-up, focusing only on the jollof texture and steam. Hit generate again, and the realism, the quality, the sharpness, this is exactly why people love using Nano Banana Pro. I use this method to generate and edit multiple images, all in the same ultra detail, all for free. The next free method you can use to access Nano Banana for free is Halio AI. Yes, Halio AI is not only for video generation. You can also access Nano Banana Pro for free using Halio AI. So just go to your browser, search for Halio AI, open the page, and look for the option labeled Agent Banana 2. That's the Nano Banana Pro model. Click Sign in with Google. After you log in, you are ready to start creating and editing using Nano Banana Pro. No payments needed. For this platform, I wanted to test something more advanced, consistency across multiple characters. Nano Banana Pro is known for its identity preservation. So here's the challenge. I have a 5-person consistency test. So in my prompt, I said, create a group of 5 friends sitting at a table outdoor, each with distinct hairstyle and outfit. Show them laughing naturally. This is my first text prompt for my base image. Once you are inside, choose your model, select your aspect ratio, and generate the base prompt. And my base image came out incredible. Natural lighting, clean character details, everything was on point. Now let's test the consistency. I uploaded the base image, pasted the second prompt, which says, let the 5 friends be playing cards indoor while maintaining identity and details. Hit send, and whoa, you have a clean, crisp, 100% realistic, same faces, same identities, same style. This is easily one of the strongest Nano Banana tests I have ever seen. And finally, the third free platform you can use to access Nano Banana Pro is True Love Arts. Sign up with Google, paste your prompts, and choose your model. Here, I wanted to test style translation, which Nano Banana Pro is extremely good at. So I wrote in my prompt, generate a prompt of a young woman sitting by the window reading a book. Soft natural light, subtle shadows, calm expression. So once I put in my text prompt for my base image, I chose my model, which is Nano Banana Pro. I clicked on generate. Now, one limitation while using Love Art is that you cannot choose your aspect ratio, which is a bit restrictive, but the output is absolutely gorgeous. Once the base prompt was generated, I tested style translation by uploading the base image, and I generated about two alternative styles, which are watercolor and pencil sketch. The results were absolutely consistent. Same face, same pose, same lighting logic, different artistic styles. Nano Banana Pro handled every style flawlessly. And there you have it. 3 fully free websites where you can still use Nano Banana Pro without paying a single dollar. So tell me, which of these sites will you try first? Drop in the comment and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications if you love AI content like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.